We'll start. So, good afternoon, everyone. This is Rohitkumar, today your host for Bits and Bolts 6th edition. This is the monthly tea tech break session. What Fortitude has arranged every month. So, welcome to this 6th episode of Bits and Bolts. And I know people, you guys would be excited to understand what are the topics, what we are going to discuss. And I'm going to discuss on a topic which is very close to all the administrators, and that would be showcased in the coming slides. So, yes, your host, Rohitkumar Gaikwad, and I'm the assistant manager sales for India West and Southeast Asian market. You can reach me on my coordinates. You can email me if you have any queries at any point of time, and I'll be happy to answer any of the queries. So, well, thank you very much for joining this session. And today I'm going to talk on two different topics, which is customizing a toolbar and customizing application. So, why did we choose these topics? So, basically, most of our partners or customers were requesting me, Rohit, we want to learn more about how we can customize our Sure MDM dashboard. And I told them, yes, definitely you can customize your toolbars and application, agent application on the device. It would be easy in your ease of use, and it will also help you in enrolling your device faster with custom application. So yes, today we are going to talk on these two topics. If you are new to this session, you can, or new to this product, you can definitely connect this useful links, which is the community, the knowledge base, which is very useful if you want to learn more about Portuguese, what all Portuguese does, what all Portuguese product are offering. Everything about Portuguese is there in the knowledge base. You can also, if you want to get certified with Portuguese solution, you can click on this link academy.portuguese.com, visit this link and get yourself certified for free. So this is very limited time period. We are keeping it for free for our partners and customers. Definitely, if you want to attend or if you want to get yourself self-certified with Sure MDM solution, you can definitely attend or click on this link and learn about Portuguese solution. For any of our uh, tech sessions, or it could be bits and bolts, which you're attending now, you can attend any of these sessions on YouTube. So if you miss any of these sessions or previous session, you can just go and click on Bits and Bolts Portuguese YouTube channel, and you'll find our sessions there. Sorry for that. Or if you're a partner hosted on Cosmos portal, you can definitely go on a partner portal and get all the details about a product, right from the battle cards, the product details, the EDMs, and any communication or any features updated on a product on weekly or monthly basis. So before we start, uh, I would just like to remind you, I know every one of you are receiving our product bulletin email every month. So hope this month you have received your product bulletin email and you are able to access it. If you're not, definitely you can reach out to me or update us or write to us on sales@Portuguese, and we'll help you enable this emailers coming to your inbox every month. This will talk about the latest feature, the next generation. Like last month, we have done new enhancement of product, which is next gen remote control, the MTD. It will talk about the ServiceNow integration happening from Autodesk side, the default compliance policies, and Microsoft Entra conditional access integrations, what we've done. So if you're not receiving any of these product bulletins, do let us know so that we can help you get you those on your email list on monthly basis. Hope this is informative, and we are just going to jump on to the product presentation. And the topic for today is customizing toolbars and application. So first of all, I'm going to focus on customizing toolbars. So this is the most asked question to my team, can I customize the toolbar with 42 gigs? I'm going to showcase you what is the toolbars and how we can customize those toolbars using 42 gigs solution. I hope everyone can see my screen. This is our product dashboard, which is available. I'm showcasing it to you. And this is the devices which are enrolled to our SureMDM console or SureMDM dashboard. So hope you're able to see the dashboard. On the left side, you have groups and locations of your console, and on the right side, you have the device information panel, the network information panel, the battery and memory information panel available on the right side. On the top, you can find all the payloads. Then you can go create jobs, create profiles, add application to the app stores, go to the file store for your content management. You can update your operating systems and patch management, and you get reports on the top. Now, this part, which was uncovered as of now, and everyone asks us, can we customize this toolbar or quick action button or dynamic action button provided by 42 days? So if you have seen, this could be different for every user. uh, I have customized my dashboard, or I have customized my toolbar section. You may also have this customized, or you can see a default view in your existing system. So how do I customize it, and how is it going to help me? So now, whenever I want to take a dynamic action, or I want to take an action on a device very fast, what I'll do, I'm not going to go create jobs and apply it on the device. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go on this thing, and I'm going to say, okay, I want an access for the device. I want to reboot the device, reset the device. I want to send a text message, and these are quick action. Or I want to power off the device. I'm currently doing a remote bus for this device, and this is specifically for device. And this custom toolbar, if you're seeing, can be, or this quick action or dynamic buttons are different for different operating systems. If I click on any other device apart from this, so now you can see the toolbar has changed, or the dynamic buttons or dynamic options have been changed as per the operating system or as per the device models as well. So today I'm going to click on this device, which is bits and bolts device. I'm going to perform or help you configure or customize your toolbar section, which is this part of the console. So today I'm going to take you through the settings option. Go to the settings option. In the settings option, you have to go to the account settings. In the account settings on the left side, you can see you have an option for custom settings. So you can customize your settings, and in which I'm going to focus on customizing the toolbar. So I clicked on the toolbar. Yes, now this is your toolbar customization option. So on the left side, you can see these are the default actions in the dynamic actions available by 42 gigs. You can turn them on or turn them off as per your request. I can enable or disable. So I don't refresh the devices regularly. I can turn it off. I don't go into the terminal acts. I don't want it, or I don't go and perform any terminal actions. I can turn that off. I want to see the application in SureLogs, but SureBox I'm not using. I can turn off that part of on the device side. So now this is customizing the console basically. So a couple of things I'm going to turn it off and help you create some custom user-defined dynamic action button on the console. So you might have different toolbars, and you can also customize it. So now this toolbar, I'm going to customize it. I'm going to add an action. Now, the most used action would be clearing the cache. Most of the companies come back to us and say, Rohit, every time I have to go and clear the cache of the specific application. And I perform this action every day on the application, because our application does not clear the cache on restart, or it does not clear the cache on every launch. So that's one of the things which I thought is important. And the other one I have customized for you is this. shortcut button, which is a notification or action bar for bits and bolts notification. Now you can paste your name here, what job you want to name it as. You can also browse it, what icon you want for that specific dynamic button or dynamic action button. So now this quick action toolbar, I have chosen a notification or bell icon for the same, and I've chosen it and I've added it. You can also choose a job, which job you want to apply by clicking that notification option. I've chosen this option, which is bits and bolts notification, which is an alert message. I'm going to say OK, and I'm going to say save this. So now this bits and bolts notification option would be available once I applied the changes. So now I'm going to apply those changes. The changes are applied successfully on the device side. So if you want to know what job I have pushed or what job I have configured for this, I have configured a job which is alert notification. You can go into the job section in Androids. You can go to alert message and have configured this alert message, stating it as bits and bolts notification. So what I've done is I've, I've already created a job for this. I'm just going to go and configure or modify the same job for your ease of understanding. So now this is the notification. I'm going to modify it. I'm going to go here. I've named the job as bits and bolts notification. The alert title is 42 guess bits and bolts. The font size I can change. The font color I can change. The font size I've kept it 22 here. I can make it 24. And also I can choose the color for this specific font. Also, I have uploaded an image for bits and bolts. That's a wallpaper, and I've uploaded that bits and bolts notification or invitation image here by just accessing the local drive and uploading that bits and bolts image on the console. So I've said this image should be a larger image, the background should be black, and the layout should be on the center. I can preview it to see how the display looks like. So this is the image which you are going to see on the device side. So this is the image, and that's my header, and that's my description. Alert to attend the bits and bolts session by 42 guys. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this, and this bits and bolt notification I have enabled as a shortcut on my toolbar. So now in my toolbars, if you go, you find this notification bar or this bell icon with bits and bolts action. So now what I'm going to take a device on remote control. So I take this device on the remote control. In the meanwhile, I'm going to apply a quick action or dynamic action on this specific device. So I'm going to say, okay, send a notification or this action on perform this action on the device side. So on the device side, if you can see, this is a regular Android device, and I've published that specific job or action onto the device, and the notification comes to the end user. So this is how end user can see, okay, you're invited to the tech tea break webinar by 42 Gears bits and bolts. So this is how you can create a quick action or quick job to be deployed on the device side. Hope this is going to help you ease your daily actions performed on the device. So if you are restarting or resetting the password of the device on daily basis, you can quickly configure that part and enable on your devices. So you can click and perform that action on the device set. If you see, you can clear cache of the application, a specific application. You want to see the battery usage. If you want to send a message to the device, you want to wipe the device, or you can power off the device if not in use. So these are a couple of quick actions you can set up on the device, and also you can customize some jobs and put it as by default in the toolbar to give you a smoother experience of Portuguese solution. So hope this was useful for every one of you. The next topic which we are going to touch is, so now this could be predefined and user defined jobs. So I have spoken about the customizing toolbar. Now I'm going to talk on how to customize an application or Shoremnim agent on the Shoremnim console. So why is this useful? I'll tell you a use case why companies are using our custom agent application. This is because this customization helps you to ease your manual tasks performed on the device. So if you have enrolled any of your devices, you must have seen you have to put in your account ID, your server URL path, the device default name, what it should be, and then you have to enroll that device. But now FortiGuys is helping the administrators to predefine all the application side details, like what should be the device name, which server it needs to connect to, what is the account ID, so which the end user may not be interested in. So this feature is applicable for Android and Windows devices. So I'm going to take you to the, the option where you can wrap up the agent or customize the agent, Shoremnim agent, and put in your details. So I go to the settings option. I go to the account settings and I go into the custom my setting option. Here you'll see after the custom toolbar, I have a custom Shoremnim agent or Shorelock agent option available. So now what companies do, they usually say, I want to pre-burn this server URL or application URL onto that application. I want to pre-mention the account ID, the server path, and I want to publish it on the device side. So now you can download this, generate this agent, and download this agent on your local machine and put it on any of your Android device. So whenever you install this application, agent application on your device, it will have all your details and it will be connected to Shoremnim console within a minute after you installing the application. What and how it helps you? So now you're predefining couple of things, which is your account ID, your server URL path, the agent password if you want to have, your protection type, what kind of protection you want on the device side. You can select the device name. So I have mentioned it as system generated name I want to publish. Do I want to enable the mailbox to the end user or not? And which group of devices, the devices, or which path it goes and enrolls itself. So now you can predefine all these steps and generate that agent. So this is called a customized wrapped up agent. So now this custom wrap up agent, you go install on your Android device. Once you install it, it'll unwrap itself and automatically it will get all the details from this wrapped up application and it will automatically enroll your device and it's ready to use. Similarly, this will happen on the BYOD devices wherein you are sharing the link or QR code for end user or your uh, people who are remotely working with you. So you can just send them a link and ask them to install this custom or wrapped up agent. Once they click on the link, this link will download the application. You have to say install this application on your personal device. Automatically, it will set the server URL path which it needs to connect to, the account ID, what is the device name it should carry. All the details would be predefined and it can get enrolled very smoothly and very effortlessly by your end users as well. So administrators, we are going to help you ease your task or ease your business in managing and enrolling your devices. So that's our motto. FortiGuys always is working to ease their experience of the administrator and ease the experience of the end user who is actually using the solution or on whose device this application or agent is running on. It could be company owned device or it could be your personal device as well. So now I have wrapped this agent. I can download this agent and send this agent via link or a QR code to my end user for getting their devices enrolled into Shoremnim console. As similar to Android, we have Windows as well. In Windows, again, you can set the URL. You can put your account ID, server part details here, and you can also name the machine. Machine name could be, you can put it as by default, or you can say MAC ID of the device. I can enable or disable the mailbox option. So, and similarly to Android, I can ask, generate a QR code or a link, which I can share it to all my users and ask them to enroll. Click on the link and enroll, install that agent and enroll yourself into Sure MDM solution. So now it's easy to use, easy to configure, and it's going to reduce your efforts on enrolling any of your devices. So hope this part of the session was interesting, and it is very short, and there's two basic features which is going to help you. If you want to know more about advanced settings, wherein you can put in the application launcher icon, you can name the application you want to, don't want end user to see. Sure MDM as the application name, you can change the application name here. You can customize the XML here, and also you can change the icon of Sure MDM agent. So hope you'll be using this feature. If you have any queries in understanding or uh, taking this further, you can reach out to me anytime and we'll be happy to answer you. So these are a couple of screenshots on how you can customize your toolbars, how you can customize your application agent on Android device, how you can customize agent application on your Windows device. And if you have any queries, because we have left 5 minutes, if you have any queries, do let me know and I'll be happy to answer. Don't have any queries as of now? Definitely you can reach us at partner marketing at the 42 gears, or you can write to me sharing your queries and I'll be happy to answer you. If you're an existing customer, you can reach out to the tech support and learn more about how this feature will help you in customizing your application and agent and quick action bar for yourself. I'll pass on the baton to Chris to take it forward from here.
Slide. So thanks, Rohit. So just a reminder that these bits and bolts webinars are taking place every month. So the next two that we have in the calendar are 12th of November and 10th of December. You've registered for these webinars, so any future webinars are included in that registration link. So you've already registered for the series. Basically, if you've joined this webinar, what we'll be looking for is you'll be looking for reminders coming through your email. So please add those to your calendar, and then you can join the subsequent webinars going forward. One thing I'd like to also call out to you is our next CTO webinar. This is when CTO Prakash Gupta is talking about our roadmap, some of the new features of our products, and how these fit in with the future of mobility and the mobility ecosystem. So very useful, not just product, but some of his insights into the product and how we can help our customers now and in the future. So that's tomorrow. So there should have been an invite coming through. Please look out for that, and don't forget to join us tomorrow at the same time. Thanks, Rohit. Yeah. If you have missed an episode, and as Rohit said, we've done 6 already. We have a YouTube channel, so just visit 42 Gears on YouTube and look for the Bits and Bolts channel, and you can watch any of those videos that have been recorded and uploaded. There's also the EMEA versions. They've done some other topics. So between the two different channels, you'll be able to find out a lot of features about our products, which are there to help you, position the products and answer your customer questions. So please do go visit that. Rohit also talked about the 42 Gears Academy. So 42 Gears Academy is a self-paced learning course that our partners can pretty much sign up to. Learn about the product. It's at your pace. You learn about the product, and then there's a quiz at the end. Once you've done the quiz and you pass it, you can move on to the next course. And we now have 4 courses. We have the basic course, and all the way up to professional. And just recently launched, if we go to the next slide, we've just launched the expert level. And as you can see, there's a lot of different topics there for you to go through. Obviously, if you haven't done the others, you can't get to this, but I do ask you to go and look out for that. And if you do need any help to register, reach out to Rohit or myself, and we can certainly guide you to register for the 42 Gears Academy. And as I say, it's there to help you understand the product and how you can position it to your customers and prospects. So thanks for that, and I'll just hand you back to Rohit. Thanks, Rohit.
Thank you very much, Chris, and thank you very much, everyone, for joining the session. And I hope to see every one of you in our next seventh edition of Bits and Bolts session happening on the 11th of November. So, guys, see you there, and I would request you to attend all the sessions so that you gain the knowledge and insights about our product, and also you get a chance to win a surprise in the month of December. Uh, the person who attends most webinars is going to get a surprise of 42 Gears from a draw, and I hope you attend the most of the webinars and you get a chance to win it. So thank you very much and have a nice day.